Well, it's been 8 days since we had 8-inch snowfall. There's still, the snow's melted some, but there's still about 4 inches on the ground. We're on Middle Falls Trail, and I'm coming up right here on Grandkids Pond. And we had 3 inches of rain just about 2 days ago. And so the water is way up. There's a whole lot of water flowing over Grandkids Pond here. Here's another view of Grandkids Pond. There's lots of water flowing right now. It's about 37, 38 degrees out today, but there's no wind. It's very comfortable out here hiking. Ram's crossing the stream. There's just Graham going across another bridge onto the Middle Falls Island. I'm trying to walk across here and hold the camera steady, but it's not easy in the snow here. Here's one of our nice cascades about halfway up Middle Falls Trail. The last big cascade before the falls.
Here we are at Middle Falls, the biggest falls on this trail. Certainly not the only one, but it's the biggest. And with all this rain that we've had and snow, it is really coming over. Wow. Wow. What fun. A close-up at Middle Falls. Wow, what a beauty. Kentucky's first bridges.